Hello, my name is Eric, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to build automatic highway builder in Minecraft. Let's get right into it. As you can see, this is how it looks like, and I'm gonna start it real quick. As you can see, it runs lava in here, and then it places water, so it turns into a cobblestone. And this creates your highway. You can let this run for as long as you want to. Before we get to the tutorial, let me tell you why this design is special. It only relies on one block of space per every block of the highway. So you can basically build it as wide as you want to, and this will make your highway as wide as you build this machine. Let's get into the tutorial. Alright, before we start building, I'm gonna explain how this machine works. If you want to skip this part, just skip to this time. So, the first part, this is the starter. It checks for an input from below, which could be the starting pistons, or it could be just this whole thing moving forward. Then sends an input to these pistons, which basically pull this forward part, and to these pistons, which are sticky ones, and just make the same signal the starting pistons do to this one, but with a redstone block. If you really want to, you can change them with another observer. The front part contains the lava buckets. It is responsible for lava to flow out and be turned into the cobblestone. It also has one observer below, which detects if this block has moved and sends an input to the dispenser, which then lays out the lava. The part that contains water bucket. These two observers, together with the dropper, send two fast inputs into this dispenser, which then sends out the water and also takes it back really quickly. And also there are another two observers. This one moves this forward, the starting part, so this is the last part to move. And these observers send a quick input into this dispenser, which takes down the lava, which then moves and puts the lava by this dispenser again out, so it can spill. And the last part, which is just a long timer for the lava to spill, and then it finally moves this last part, which then spits the water out. Last two things before we start building it. This is only Bedrock tutorial. It won't work on Java because you can't push things like dispensers on Java with pistons. The other thing is, you can modify the structure however you want. Just beware, you cannot push more than 12 blocks by one piston. That's it. Let's get to the building. So, to build one part, which I'm gonna do, you're gonna need one water bucket, one lava bucket, 29 slime blocks, 12 observers, 8 sticky pistons, 3 piston, 2 dispensers, 1 dropper, 1 block of stained glass, 1 block of redstone, and 1 redstone dust. Then the special block, which just don't repeat, which is this one on the side, basically the starter, and the blocks on the side right here. So this just makes the water and lava not spill out to the side, which makes the bridge nice. These blocks are included right here. You also need to switch in between honey layers and slime block layers. If you're building just one layer, don't worry, you can just choose between honey or slime block. For this tutorial, I'm gonna be building one with slime block, one with honey block, so you get both of the perspectives. Let's get to the building. Okay, I'm gonna start from the bottom by placing this observer right here. This is the starting observer. Then I'm gonna place redstone, which will activate the two pistons right here. I'm gonna build the observers. I'm just gonna build one layer, then the other one. I'm gonna start with the slime one. You want to put sticky pistons on both sides of this block. From this block, you're gonna go 3 blocks up, 1 block here, another one here. Now you're choosing the direction. The direction that you built these 2 blocks are gonna indicate which way your machine is gonna go. So if I build these 2 blocks in here, the machine will go this way. Now let's place the redstone block. I'm gonna place a temporary slime block and the piston. So the observer has to be facing down. You need to put sticky piston on top of it, and the sticky piston is gonna pull this other piston. This piston is gonna push all of this together with another observer which is facing upwards, and another sticky piston which is facing the same way. This piston then connects to another 2 slime blocks which again have an observer facing upwards and a sticky piston facing forward. Now it's a bit different because you need to put 3 slime blocks, but again another observer right here and another sticky piston right here. Then again place 2 slime blocks, observer facing downwards and a sticky piston facing forward. So now place another 2 slime blocks, observer facing upwards and the sticky piston facing forward. This is where it connects to the first part. You just put 4 slime blocks down. Now place 2 observers, both facing upwards. After this, place dispenser facing downwards, and here in this block you can place either a dropper or a dispenser. It doesn't matter, it's gonna be empty. After this, place a glass block right here, which is gonna protect the water from spilling on top of the lava, making it an obsidian. Place observer facing upwards on this block, and place another observer facing the slime block on this block. Then place a normal piston in here. Now we're gonna build the front part which contains the lava. Place 4 slime blocks in an L shape, then place a dispenser right here, and place an observer facing downwards right here. Now you just need to put a lava bucket inside of this dispenser and a water bucket inside of this dispenser, and this thing will just start moving. Okay, I stepped to the side so you can now pause the video and check if you have everything placed correctly. Now I'm gonna start placing the other layer. I finished the second layer up, and now if you want to end your line, you can just place the same type of block as shown on the previous line, put a glass block on top of it, the same goes for the other side, and now your machine is done. I also recommend putting in the lava buckets and the water buckets last, because something can break during the process and you don't want to make more mess. Now I'm just gonna start it by placing here any kind of block. It can be a torch or it can be a glass. The thing is moving and it's working. Thanks for watching the tutorial, hope you enjoyed it and I hope you learned something. See you later.